So at the moment, people are going crazy for the Fuji X100 series. And don't get me wrong, they're great cameras, but I'm really surprised at how much they're holding their value. They're even going up in value. I mean, the X105 on eBay at the moment is selling for 1,200, 1,300, even 1,400 pounds. The X6 has just come out and that's selling for well over 2,000 pounds. And for beginner photographers, that's a lot of money to spend on a camera. And don't get me wrong, this is not a video to shit on Fujifilm. They're great cameras. They've got that retro look that people love, and they also give that retro feel when the pictures are produced and straight out of camera. There's got that retro sort of feel to them, and everybody loves that at the moment. But again, it's a lot of money, and I think that this camera right here is a fantastic option. The Olympus OMD 10 Mark III. I've been using it for the past 3 months and I'm really surprised how much I like this camera. It's a fantastic little camera. It's tiny, it's perfect for street photography, and it's got that retro look, that retro feel that many sort of Fuji people love. And you also get that retro look in the images once they've been produced. Well, even straight out of camera, it's got that retro feel, but it's very, very easy to do some small adjustments in post, like in Lightroom, to produce images that look just like Fuji X100. And guess what? It's just a quarter of the price. I mean, this body and this lens together, I got for £350 secondhand. And this camera came with 3 batteries, 2 memory cards, and a carry case. I got that for £150, and then I got this lens for around £200. So £350 altogether, around $500. And I think it packs a punch. I think it's a little Fuji X100 killer. Like this wonderful flip screen, this 90 degrees flip screen. I really, really do enjoy this because I can hold it at chest height, looking down like this. So I'm not looking at my subject, and I can get that documentary style of photography. Also, it's got interchangeable lenses. So this lens that I've got is a 20mm Lumix 1.7. Fantastic lens. On a full frame equivalent, this will be around 40mm. For me, it's perfect for street photography. And another little hidden gem that it's got, 3-axis image stabilization. Fujifilm has not got that. So when you're doing those slower shutter speeds, those tracking shots, it stabilizes the images for you. Anyway, that's enough chat about how it looks and the kind of images it produces. Let's get out there and capture some photos.
East Acton.
I have to admit, I haven't used this camera for a month, maybe a little bit more, as I've been using my Canon and my Sony, but it has put a smile on my face. Just its form factor, where its dials are, how easy it is to use. It's so lightweight, so small, can fit in my pocket. I can hang it off my shoulder, put it around my neck, and I can hardly feel the thing. And the pictures that it's producing are fantastic. I've just been going for about 20 minutes, and autofocus is sharp, it's snappy, and the pictures it's producing are great. I'll find out more about them when I get back on the laptop, but on the back of the LCD screen, which also is good, I'm really, really impressed. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on.
Yes, that's what you kind of convey to do.
So I've been going for about 3 hours now, non-stop. I've been using this LCD screen for 3 hours. I stopped for one coffee, so let's say I stopped for 5 minutes, but it's been on for more or less 2 hours 45 minutes, let's say. Constantly using the LCD screen, and I've got 50% battery left. I mean, I can't believe how good that battery is. I bought this second hand and I got 3 batteries with it, and there's no, I'm not even going to need the second battery. But just one battery, 50% left. I've got 2 bars left, only used 2 bars. I mean, I think that's amazing. And the fact that I've been using the LCD screen non-stop, great camera. So I'm here by the King's Guards, and another good test for this little camera, just to check it out. It's got 3-axis stabilization, so I'm going to do some rolling shots and trying to capture some cyclists and some buses going past, and see how steady the 3-axis image stabilization on this Olympus OMD Mark III works. So I'm really surprised, I'm going to say it again, this camera is fantastic. The image stabilization on those shots that I just took of cyclists going past and buses going past look like they come out really well on the little screen, but yeah, of course, when we get back on the laptop, then we really know. I've done another hour of photography using the LCD screen, and I've still got 2 bars left. I mean, I've absolutely battered. I must have taken around 4, maybe even 500 pictures today, all using the LCD screen, not turning the camera off, and we still got 50%, still 2 bars left, and I think that's amazing. So I'm back in West London now after a day out doing photography with the Olympus OMD 3, or OMD 10 Mark III. Fantastic little camera yet again. And on the way home, I've never done it before. I've done a little bit, but not too much. I thought I'd do some photography on the underground. So I did another 45 minutes of using the LCD screen. Really enjoyed the underground photography. I think I might do a video just on that. But just update with the battery, still got 2 bars, and that's with me sitting on the platforms for 45 minutes between the Victoria line and the Central line, taking pictures and then flicking through all of the pictures that I've done today. So heavy usage of the LCD screen, and the battery is fantastic. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below if you used this camera before or not. Until the next time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that walk about London with this Olympus OMD 10 Mark III. Fantastic camera. I really enjoyed it. The things that I most enjoyed about it is its small size. It's so lightweight. I had it on my shoulder, around my neck all day long, and it weighs nothing at all. It's like you're just wearing a necklace or something. So lightweight. I love this little flip screen. It's fantastic for documentary, fly on the wall style, of photography. I really like the dials, the menu, the retro look, the retro sort of feel, and I really enjoyed the images that I was able to capture with this amazing little camera. And yeah, I said it before and I'm gonna say it again, £350 for this setup. If you're a street photographer, you're a beginner photographer, you want something small for traveling, going on holidays with, I would highly recommend this setup. I'll leave a link below this video to this exact camera so you know the camera I'm actually talking about. And I would definitely take a look on eBay secondhand market, because this is secondhand and it's fantastic value for the money. If you'd like to join my workshops in London, Lisbon, Barcelona, Madrid, Paris, sign up to my newsletter. Below this video, I'll leave a link. And until the next time, get out there and take those photos.